Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. O Partha, how can a person who knows that the soul is indestructible, unborn, eternal, and immutable, kill anyone or cause anyone to kill? As a person puts on new garments, giving up old ones, similarly the soul accepts new material bodies, giving up the old and useless ones.
So this is another way of convincing. Very simple thing anyone can understand. Vasangsi jinnani yatha vihaya. As our garment, coats and shirts, when they are all rotten, no more usable, so we throw it away and get a new garment, shirt, coat. Similarly, the soul, the changing garment from childhood, from babyhood, just like a baby has got a shoe, but when he gets the child's body, the shoe does not fit. You have to take another. Similarly, when the same child grows or changes body, he requires another. Similarly, the soul is changing and his body exactly as we change our garments. Vasangsi jinnani. Jinnani means when it is old enough, not fit for use. Jatha vihaya, as we give it up, vihaya means give it up. Navani, new garment. Naro aparani, ginnati. Now, the body has been compared herein as the garment, just like coat and shirt. The tailor cuts the coat according to the body. Similarly, this material body, if it is shirt and coat, then this is cut according to the spiritual body. The spiritual body is not nirakar, without form. If it is without form, then how the garment, the coat and shirt has got hands and legs? It is common sense. The coat has got hands or the pant has got legs because the person who is using the coat, he has got hands and legs. This proves that the spiritual body is not impersonal, it is not a zero, it has got form. But the form is so minute. Anoraniyanga mahato mahiyam. One form is lesser than the atom. Anoraniyanga mahato mahiyam. Two forms are there, spiritual. One is the Supreme Lord's form, Virata Rupa, Mahato Mahiyam. And our form, Anoraniyam, lesser than the atom. That is stated in the Kathopanishad. Anoraniyam Mahato Mahiyam. Atma sajantu nihito guhayam. Nihito guhayam. Guhayam means in the heart. Both of them are there. Now find out modern science. Both the soul and the super soul, they are situated within the heart. Ishvara sarvabhutana riddese. It is not said that anywhere in the body it is sitting. No. Riddese, in the heart. And actually, by medical science, the heart is the center of all activities of the body. Office. And the brain is the manager. The director is there. Krishna, he says also in another place, Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivistya. Everything is clear. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,